So great, enums are a way of defining a group of constants. Let's see the more exciting part, how we create them in Java. To declare an enum in Java, use the keyword enum, followed by the name of the enum, then a list of constant values, enclosed in curly braces. It's a convention to have all the values of the enum be in uppercase. This is also the case for some other constants amongst other programming languages, so this makes quite some sense. Once you've declared an enum, you can use it to declare variables of the type. The name of the enum is the type, just like for classes. And then you can use one like this. If your name of the enum is days of the week, it goes days of the week today equals days of the week dot Sunday, for example. Unlike classes, you can compare enums using the equality operator, the double equal sign. I'll explain why in a later video, but here's how to compare two values of an enum. We can say if today equals day of week dot Monday, we'll print today is Monday. Otherwise we'll print it's a good day. This hate of Monday reminds me of someone. Enums always have a few methods that are built in for enums. These predefined methods are toString, ordinal, and values. toString returns the string representation of the enum constant. Ordinal returns the position of the enum constant in the enum declaration. Values returns an array of all the enum constants in the enum. Alright, let's summarize this by having a look at all this in IntelliJ. So here's the enum day of week, and as you can see, they're all grayed out because I'm not using it yet. So I'm going to move over to my app.java, and I'm going to be using one. So I'll specify the type day of week, and I'm going to call this day, and then I'm going to say day of week dot Sunday. And I'm going to make another one, day of week, day 2 equals day of week, Friday. And then if I want to know whether these are the same, I can go ahead and say day equals day 2. And then I'll print the same day, if that's true, and else, which is the case for this one, it's going to print not the same day. Alright, let me run this. And as you can see, it prints not the same day for all of them. So what happens if you print the ordinal? Well, it's going to print the numeric value of the enum. So for example, if I go day.ordinal, then it's going to print 6 in this case, because it starts from 0 and the first position was for Monday, that was 0, last one was Sunday, meaning that becomes 6. Alright, so now we know how to create basic enums. Let's see how we can expand these basic enums with fields and methods in the next video.